Welcome to Module 4. This module is all about JavaScript, the language. Now, JavaScript is one of the most used programming languages out there, yet a lot of people don't really appreciate its power. In my personal experience, this is largely due to the lack of understanding of the language fundamentals. I know, I was once in the same boat as well. I admit it. This is why I believe learning its fundamentals is crucial. Another reason why JavaScript doesn't have such a great reputation is historical. In the early days of the web, the browsers implemented JavaScript support much in the same way they implemented HTML support, however they pleased. This caused a lot of heartache for developers because you couldn't be certain that your code would run in the same way in all browsers. In addition, JavaScript used to lack tooling and frameworks that eased difficulties with everyday programming. While things aren't perfect nowadays either, they're much better. There are quite a number of good editors that support JavaScript development and a hefty number of frameworks and libraries that simplify programming JavaScript today. One word of warning. This module assumes that you have the basic understanding of programming. If you don't know general concepts like variables, looping, what an if statement is, and so on, you will have a tough time getting through this module. If you fall into this category, I suggest you find and go through a programming basics tutorial first, then come back and finish this module. See you in the module.